Mabuhay! My name is Celina and welcome to my kitchen. Every April, we are celebrating the Filipino Food Month. And to kickstart this celebration, I would like to share with you an easy, healthy, and delicious Filipino recipe. Today, we are cooking mussel soup, a very easy but flavorful and comforting dish. You will only need very few ingredients to make this soup, and I will list them all in the comment section of this video. You can eat this with toasted bread or rice, or as it is without any added carbohydrates. Seafood is an essential source of protein in Southeast Asia, including the Philippines, especially because we are surrounded by water. And because this soup is very simple, the flavor is elevated using aromatics such as ginger, garlic, onion, and bay leaves. We will also use fish sauce, which will give this soup a depth of flavor. So now let's start to cook. First, the aromatics. Peel and dice the onion, garlic, and ginger. In approximately 2 tablespoons of oil, sauté the onion first. Then add the ginger and the garlic. Once the oils have already been released and you can smell their beautiful aroma, add your frozen mussels. I used 1 kilogram of frozen mussels without the shells so that it is easier to eat, especially for my daughters. I seasoned it with lemon pepper for more flavor. Once the mussels start to thaw and produce a bit of liquid, I added 1 liter of hot water and let it boil for a few minutes. Once boiling and the mussels have turned to a bright color, I added 200 grams of washed spinach and some bay leaves for additional flavor. Turn off the heat and add around 2 tablespoons of fish sauce to taste. You can add more or less depending on your preference. Now time to try the soup. It has a flavorful broth and the mussels are cooked well. I'm sure my family will enjoy this soup tonight. I hope that you will try this recipe, and if you do, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.